Thank you. Instant tea. I haven't had instant tea probably since the last time I worked with you.
No, that's all you get here.
That's all I get. But I do get it in a special tartan mug.
There's special cups.
Don't burn my hand. Last time I worked with you, I got a hole in my thumb.
There's always blood in a big job.
There's always blood in a big job. Why is it my blood?
It's not gonna be mine, is it?
That's only half a mug, man.
That's all you're getting. You're on building trade tea breaks.
Building trade tea breaks, half a mug.
10 minutes includes making and drinking. So
literally everybody else is in their van at 10 o'clock. It seems to be an unwritten rule. Everybody just...
building trade, I told you that.
Building trade. I know, but I didn't realise, like, literally even the guys over there who are nothing to do with over here, are in their van having their tea.
Then 12 o'clock lunch, 12 till 12:30.
12 till 12:30 is lunch.
And then 3 o'clock is afternoon tea.
Well, have we got enough team for 3 o'clock as well, have we?
We'll just go home.
We'll go home if there's no tea. What have we got to eat, like?
These special yogurts.
Bliss Corner Cheesecake.
Salted caramel.
Oh, getting fancy.
Stick that down your throat.
Nice.
Don't
Try
spill in my...
I'm trying not to burn my crotch.
Don't worry about your crotch, just don't make stains in my car.
Fair enough, thanks. Oh well, I suppose we could have our tea and then we'll get back to it, I guess. Again, a damp cloth, wipe these frames. So a lot of mess comes over from over the construction site over there, so it's very dusty. We've actually noticed, if you're ever doing a construction clean, is look out for any damage from when they've been putting them in, because I've noticed there are chips out of the framework and pre-existing damage before we got here, so just point that out to whoever's in charge. Now, good wee tip with your squeezy bottle is to spray it in there. I'm noticing quite a lot of damage on the frames, like a lot of chips and things to try and take off bits of cement and stuff. Yeah, it's the frames, yeah, the glass isn't actually too bad. So yeah, using the Ramsey feet, if you're on grass or chuckies, anything like that, you can see you can flick these feet up and dig them into the floor like that, and then it doesn't go nowhere. Trust my life with them Ramsey feet, eh, Dad?
Yep, saved many a day.
Yep, it's those ones that are lethal, the little ones. Mind you, I think the funniest thing I ever saw was you with that chip shop door. That was hilarious. Yeah, Mr. Trad Dad doing a fish and chip shop decided to put his ladder against a door. I don't know why you did that, but you put...
There was a bar in the middle of the door, so you can hang your ladder.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah. What did somebody open the door, or did the door just open?
On the catch
Oh, the door wasn't on the catch and the door opened and what, you fell through?
I caught the ladder and landed on my feet. So,
Yeah,
and the chip shop man was most impressed.
it's a proper like 1970s comedy show.
Perfect balance.
Perfect balance, you'll always land on your feet.
Yeah.
Right, time to do the internals. Right, internal applicator, there we go, use that one. Put my outside mop in there. It's my inside one. Use that. Got some soap, water, ready to go. Ah,
Dual aspect installed. Did you know that?
I know everything.
2 windows. Of course you do.
Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. But I don't know how to open blinds apparently.
Two together.
It's looking good though, we've done a good job with the outsides.
Upstairs.
Upstairs, well that's because it was my ones. When we get downstairs and see all the lines and
Make sure the blinds are down.
make sure the blinds are down.
This is going to get covered in stew through all that builders behind you.
Yeah,
They're 1,000 times better than they were.
well this is it. And they needed it ready for like this weekend and next week apparently. Like folk are coming in to see these new houses. So they needed the windows looking good.
Well, this bit won't fail.
No, this is it. Well, if they came today, it would be fine, but it'd be sod's law that by the time they actually come around, all the dust and everything from the construction site will.
Most of that stuff is building stuff. It's not going to be back again. Yeah?
Aye, like the cement and stuff.
The
Yeah,
gardening's all done. They're not cutting stone.
yeah. It's just that construction site across the way, isn't it? Because they're still cutting up stuff. I heard the still saw going and.
Yeah, but it'll be kept down as the.
It's nice houses inside, like. They are nice. I like the carpet, it's like massaging my feet. It's nice and soft.
It's actually better than my boots.
Yeah, aye. I'm surprised for this kind of price though, it's not underfloored heating everywhere. I want my toes being warmed up with a heating element. Well, that's a funny kind of light. Hello! Oh, stuff in the way, great. Nice big mirror, a Velux window as well. I know, that's why I'm leaving them for you. Can't break anything, so it's probably that's worth £200. That'll be 100,
Yeah, that's right. 300.
Take
everything off.
Yeah.
Scared to look at anything.
I know. I'm nervous carrying this. I feel like this is worth more than my van is. Probably is.
Insults, but
Yeah, I know. Hey, there's nothing wrong with my old van. She's dependable.
Years it'll be a classic.
It'll be a classic, and exactly. I'll get free road tax. I'll probably see my van in a museum.
Well, my car was in the Top Gear thing.
Was it?
You watched the new one?
I've not seen the new Top Gear now.
It's very, very good.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
I thought they were just kind of, you know, rehashing.
No. This is they've cracked it this time.
Have they?
Really good reviews as well.
Okay. I haven't.
It's absolutely hilarious. They've kind of. Well, you'd have to see it.
Okay. How many episodes are there so far?
One.
Just one. Just last. Okay.
Started last Sunday.
All right.
One. It was absolutely hilarious. They've gone back from the beginning, so their job was to get their first car,
Okay.
whatever it was.
Yep.
They had to get one, a refurb one.
Okay.
But the three working together are great. I mean, one's a comedian, one's a Flintoff cricketer guy.
Oh, the cricket guy. Is he funny?
Oh, aye. They actually all work very well together. It's different from the Clarksons. They banter, but it's not the nastiness. They're much actually nicer.
Oh, right.
It's a different way of doing it, you know?
Right. They're like just good mates having a laugh.
Yeah. And when one of them breaks down, they actually help each other as opposed to
Oh, do they?
driving off.
Oh, we'll see how long that lasts. I bet you by the next season they'll just be leaving each other at the roadside.
Some of the stuff there, they are like, that was harsh.
Aye. See, look at this. See with this handle, see like you kind of close out at the bottom of the window. This is why I use them in hand. See, I kind of close out. So I can put it into, say, minus 25. Alright. And then I can close out, look.
Okay.
See?
I just do it to the side.
I know, but if you do it to the side, it doesn't close out properly because it's now got seals. Yeah, you have to dry it. It's not a big problem, I suppose, but if you want to...
That's how I get round it.
If you want to cut down your detailing...
By a piece of equipment. Well, you can put it on the list of...
I'll put it on your long list of Moerman stuff you need.
I need re-kitted. Rebooted.
Yep. Nah, it's such a big time saver, but to be honest, there's actually still a lot of people out there that just can't handle the liquidator. I know you can, but you've persevered with it.
It took a few shorties, to be honest.
But I mean, there's guys like my age, and even sometimes a bit younger, that they'll have a bit of a problem with it. They kind of use it, and they just go back the way.
It works like that. It's new, is it?
Well, this is it.
You done a bathroom?
It's all done.
Velux?
Yeah, Velux window, yep, we did it.
Oh, well, that's
It's nice and easy.
3 houses, so that's a sixth.
Yeah?
5 more to do, so that's
Well, they're looking good.
alright, isn't it?
Looking really good.
Where you look out, it looks like spotless, you're not seeing crap.
Yeah, yeah. No, it's great.
Let's see if
Good job.
the apprentice was as good.
Yeah, we're going to see your windows now.
Of course, my eyesight's not as good as
Oh, here comes the racing driver excuses.
yours.
No, to be honest, I would be complaining and saying I think you ran out of paint.
You're not artistic, that's what's wrong with you.
I'm not artistic.
It looks like, scrape those splashes off.
Yeah, is that blood spurts?
I've got a blade for that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's another thing. You need one of these because you've got that tiny little.
No, I do.
This is an Unger Ninja. You get a 4" and a 6, I think.
I haven't got the belt to...
Yeah, you have. Look at all the room you've got in your belt.
That's my belly.
I know. Well, you've got more space than I do. You can have more tools.
Right, where are we going to start here?
Whatever you want.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
I would have had my TV on there.
How are we gonna...
Can you squeeze in behind?
No.
Yeah, well, we're just going to have to move the city a bit.
that I was fit to fight for us to be. You gave me life for loving me. Tell me where did we go so wrong? The sky so far, but I can't lose it. The sky